I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest comparison video. Actually, I've been doing this video for almost a week now. This video should have been done before a week, but I have got hurt and yeah, it's very difficult to do anything. I wish that my subscribers and regular viewers would understand. Anyway, even after I have got hurt, I have done this video only for you. Because definitely I love you and I like to share my honest opinion with you. So at the end of this video, if you find this video helpful, please kindly appreciate my hard work by clicking on the like button. And yeah, if you are not subscribed yet, then please subscribe to this channel, support honest content. We have a Telegram group. If you want to join, then the link is given in the comment section. The pinned comment actually contains the Telegram group link. I'm not gonna say a lot of things in intro. Today we are gonna compare this Redmi K60 Pro with this Motorola X40. I have done a separate comparison video between iQOO 11 and OnePlus 11. If you are interested in those two smartphones, then I recommend that you go ahead and check that video. Well, before we start the video, there is one more thing I need to mention. Motorola X40 comes with IP68 rating. This one has passed safety net and this one comes with Widevine L1 certification. Redmi K60 Pro also comes with Widevine L1 certification, also passes safety net, but I haven't found anything about IP rating on the official website. Also, Motorola X40 comes with Gorilla Glass Victus protection. I don't know anything about Redmi K60 Pro's front panel protection. Yeah, it's protected by a glass, but what type of glass, I'm not sure about that. Okay, after opening the top lid, inside the box, both of these two smartphones comes with a cardboard package inside. Inside the cardboard package, there is a SIM ejector tool, a TPU silicon protective case. Definitely Motorola has provided a better quality TPU silicon protective case. This one also looks much better than the Redmi one. And inside the box of Redmi K60 Pro, there is a 120 watt charger. Motorola has provided a 125 watt charger. Both the Redmi and Motorola has provided a very good quality USB cable. Redmi has provided a USB-A to C charging cable. Motorola has provided a USB-C to C charging cable. In hand, both of these two smartphones feel so very different. Redmi K60 Pro has a plastic frame while Motorola X40 comes with an aluminum frame. So definitely Motorola X40 feels premium in hand. This one also comes with Gorilla Glass Victus. So yeah, definitely the build quality of Motorola X40 is much better, far better than Redmi K60 Pro. I would say the build quality of Motorola X40 is even better than OnePlus 11 or iQOO 11 because there is no other smartphone which comes with Gorilla Glass Victus in front and back like Motorola X40 in this segment. So kudos to Motorola for offering super flagship class build quality to a budget flagship smartphone. I would give Motorola 8 out of 10 for appearance and 7 out of 10 goes to Redmi K60 Pro. For build quality, Motorola will definitely get 10 out of 10. Redmi K60 Pro will get 6 out of 10. Both of these two smartphones comes with anti-glare matte finish, so no, fingerprint and smudges won't be an issue, but the design of Motorola isn't aesthetic, you will feel it. In hand, this anti-glare matte finish feels much more premium than the Redmi one. On top, both of these two smartphones comes with an extra secondary speaker. This helps to get better stereo sound. Both of these two has a secondary noise cancellation microphone, but Redmi K60 Pro has something extra, that's an IR blaster. At the bottom, speaker grill, USB-C port, primary microphone, dual SIM tray, all are at the same place. As Motorola X40 comes with an aluminum frame, Motorola has antenna bands at the bottom. There is nothing on the left, it's a clean slate and that means all the buttons are on the right side. Volume rockers and power button, yeah, everything is on the right side.
Work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
When I have tried to compare these two smartphones' display panels, I felt like it's a bit tricky because Redmi K60 Pro comes with a 2K panel, a QHD Plus panel. Even if it's a 2K panel, the performance of this display panel isn't as good as any other 2K panel. Anyway, both of these two smartphones actually comes with a OLED panel which isn't as good as AMOLED. And there is a big difference in refresh rate. Motorola X40 actually supports 165Hz refresh rate, which is definitely better and much more smooth than Redmi K60 Pro's 120Hz refresh rate. Also, Motorola has better color calibration. Black is pretty dark, white is very bright, colors are pretty natural. while Redmi has chosen to go for vibrant color calibration. Yeah, Redmi also has Dolby Vision, but in reality I don't see much of a difference. Rather, I would prefer Motorola X40's display panel for entertainment and gaming. A lot of things depends on you, cause I don't know what would you like to do with your smartphone. But in terms of quality, definitely Motorola X40's display panel is slightly better than Redmi K60 Pro. Anyway, dark mode, reading mode and all the other standard features are available on both the smartphones. Both the Motorola X40 and Redmi K60 Pro comes with a stereo speaker setup. Both has a bottom firing loudspeaker and a dedicated secondary speaker on top. I need to mention Motorola supports Dolby Atmos. Let's listen to some music. I would say Motorola has done better, but you decide by yourself which one do you prefer. Time for synthetic benchmarks. The first benchmark that I always run is 3D Mark, the gamer's benchmark, because I don't trust Antutu. I always run wildlife extreme stress test on 3D Mark. This is a pretty long test. This one takes more than 20 minutes. This one actually runs the same wildlife stress test, the same loop 20 times. So there are 20 loops and this benchmark offers more accurate and more useful information. Check this. Both the Redmi K60 Pro and Motorola X40 has managed to get a very high score. But the truth is, Motorola X40 offers very good stability. It's even better than iQOO11. That's really amazing. I'm surprised by the stability rate of this Motorola X40. Stability rate of Redmi K60 Pro is also not bad. It's better than OnePlus 11. But as I always say, sometimes it feels like Redmi smartphones are built for synthetic benchmarks, so we need to check the gaming performance separately. After the 3D Mark, the gamer's benchmark, now it's time for Antutu benchmark. I have already run Antutu benchmark back-to-back 3 times on these smartphones. And after running Antutu benchmarks for 3 times consecutively, here comes the result. I am surprised. Yeah, because the Redmi K60 Pro is actually showing a very high score and Motorola X40 has fallen a bit behind. But as I have mentioned earlier, I don't trust Antutu benchmark. So if you wanna believe this Antutu benchmark, it depends on you. I'm gonna play games for hours after hours. I'm gonna check real life gaming performance. And then I can say how good is the real life performance of these smartphones. Okay, after playing games for hours after hours, I think I have came to a conclusion where I can give a verdict about gaming performance. Definitely we can play heavy games because both of these two smartphones come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC and LPDDR5X RAM. So yeah, both of these two have got flagship hardware, but the truth is Redmi K60 Pro's gaming performance isn't as good as Motorola X40. And I think I need to share the truth with my subscribers that Motorola X40's gaming performance is even better than OnePlus 11. I'm truly amazed that the gaming performance of Motorola X40 is also pretty much comparable to iQOO11, which is a gaming smartphone, and Motorola X40 actually offers very stable frame rate. It's higher than Redmi K60 Pro, OnePlus 11 and almost on par with iQOO11. In-game experience is not only fluid, it's more than buttery smooth. On the other hand, I have noticed a few hiccups on Redmi K60 Pro, but that's only after playing games for hours. Usually Redmi K60 Pro also offers good gaming performance for 50 to 65 minutes and then it starts generating heat and there is a heavy thermal throttling. After playing a lot of games, I can say without any hesitation, Motorola X40's gaming performance is pretty close to iQOO11. Motorola X40 comes with an OmniVision OV50A main sensor. Huawei has also used this sensor as the main sensor of Huawei P50 Pro. So definitely this is a good sensor. Redmi K60 Pro comes with a Sony IMX800 54 megapixel sensor which actually delivers 50 megapixel photos. Motorola X40 also has a pretty good 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. On the other hand, Redmi K60 Pro comes with an 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The main difference is Motorola X40 has a Sony IMX663 12 megapixel sensor tagged to a telephoto lens for 2x optical zoom and portrait photos. Redmi K60 Pro comes with a 2 megapixel macro sensor instead of a telephoto sensor. That 2 megapixel macro sensor is nothing more than a gimmick, and in real life Motorola X40 is definitely a far better choice when it comes to camera performance. Motorola X40 comes with a 4600 mAh battery and 125 watt fast charger. This one also supports wireless charging, but wireless charging speed is slow, only 15 watt. Motorola X40 takes around 29 minutes to get fully charged through wired charging. Redmi K60 Pro comes with a 5000 mAh battery and 120 watt fast charger. Redmi K60 Pro takes around 32 minutes to get fully charged. Motorola X40 offers 6 hours and 40 minutes of screen on time when 165Hz refresh rate is selected. Redmi K60 Pro offers 6 hours and 25 minutes of screen on time in QHD Plus resolution, but K60 Pro offers 7 hours of screen on time in FHD Plus resolution. Motorola X40 also offers 7 hours of screen on time if we reduce the refresh rate from 165Hz to 120Hz. Motorola X40 comes with MyUI, MYUI, skin on top of Android 13. MYUI 5.0 is really very close to stock Android. I have got this 12 plus 256GB edition and I have never felt any lag, any issue, nothing. Everything seems to be working perfectly fine. Redmi K60 Pro comes with MIUI 14. MIUI 14 is better than MIUI 13, but it's not very optimized and user-friendly. Both Motorola X40 and Redmi K60 Pro comes with Android 13 out of the box, but there is a big difference between these two smartphones when it comes to Android skin and UI. Motorola X40 comes with an optical in-display fingerprint sensor. This one works pretty well. It's easy to register fingerprint and it also has a very fast unlocking time. Redmi K60 Pro also comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, but unlocking time is slightly slower than X40. Similar to fingerprint sensor, both of these two devices comes with 2D face unlocking option. It is easy to register face data and works fine, no complaint.
Hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're proud.
Okay, after watching through this video, what do you think? Which smartphone actually would you prefer? Which smartphone actually would you buy? As the Redmi K60 Pro is a bit cheaper than Motorola X40, some people may go for Redmi K60 Pro. But after checking all the segments and considering all different type of scenarios, I think Motorola X40 is a very good choice. But the pricing is really pretty competitive between Motorola X40, iQOO 11 and OnePlus 11. So actually I would say if you really want to play games, if you really like playing games, then you should go for this iQOO 11. If you want to buy a smartphone for camera performance, then OnePlus 11 actually does a bit better. But if you need everything, I mean, very good camera performance, a very good gaming, very good usage, very good battery life, then Motorola X40, yeah, that's a very good choice. Well, that's my opinion, but I would like to know what's your opinion. Please don't forget to make a comment and let me know your thoughts and ideas about these smartphones. And yeah, if you have found this video helpful, then please don't forget to click on the like button. Please subscribe to this channel, support honest content.